working with this medium, I've found that you've got to work with it rather than against it. So I guess it comes with experience, learning how it's going to react to the way we work with it. So I'm going to need to put C channel in the bottom of this table to stop it from cupping across the table. Now, this has been stabilised, as I mentioned before, and flattened. However, it's already got quite a big cup in it this way and along the length of it. So what I'm going to need to do with this one is, rather than rely on the C channel to do all of the work in trying to force the table down under tension, which I think is fraught with it cracking down the track, because it will always seek a release for that tension. So I will be putting C channel in the back, but I'm also going to need to do some cripple cuts or relief cuts in the back side of the table along its length. Now what this will do will enable the table to be, I guess, manipulated to be flat. And what I'll also do when I do that is I will put an adhesive or resin. I'll determine how the timber responds, but I'll either put an adhesive or resin in those back cuts, so that once we've pulled it flat with the C channel this way, they will help bond and hold it in that state as well. And that way the C channel then becomes insurance rather than doing all of the work. Steel's great, but I know that this medium is always going to want to keep moving around. So if I just, from experience, relying on the steel, it will pull the steel a little bit and you won't get a flat surface.